All right, day 2 of me learning how to do my makeup. So of course, I'm gonna start with my Revlon Color Stay foundation. I'm gonna use this brush because that's just a brush I use. And I got this off of TikTok shop as well. Okay. Okay, can y'all see the difference? From this side to this side? Can y'all see it? Yeah, I can. Okay, guys, this is foundation. Now, concealer. Okay, I'm gonna use this sponge. I think, pretty sure. Okay, concealer. I might add a little more on later on, but this is concealer. And then we have the Elf. That's what I use. This is for this blush, like a blush stick. And use this one. Okay guys, and then my lip gloss, the color changing lip gloss. Okay guys, this is my makeup for today. Let me know what you guys think of my makeup for day 2, and let me know if you guys also have any tips or any extra products, or I guess utensils that you guys would like for me to get.